welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to make Thai dessert, pumpkin custard. You know, when talking about pumpkin custard, we always see that the pumpkin as a whole and then inside have the custard. But today I have only half of the pumpkin. With half of the pumpkin, we also can make pumpkin custard. So half of the pumpkin weight about 1 kg. I have about 10 duck eggs, 1 whole grated coconut. This is palm sugar or paste sugar. This is how it looks like. It's a paste sugar. If you do not have paste sugar, you can use brown sugar or gula melaka. And I also have about 5 pieces of pandan leaf. Alright, first we need to cut up the pumpkin, squeeze the coconut, and break the eggs. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready all the ingredients and then we can cook it. How to cut the pumpkin? I'm going to scoop out the seed first. And then we're going to cut according to the line here, so it will be easy to peel the skin. Just remove the skin. Then we're going to cut half and cut thin slices. We have thin slices like this, and I'm going to cut like that. Alright, all these are the ingredients. The pumpkin I have already cut into pieces. 1.5 cup of coconut milk and 250 grams of paste sugar, pinch of salt. So I like to start off with mixing the coconut and sugar first. So I'm going to put in the paste sugar in the bowl, and we're going to add the coconut milk. I have already washed my hand, and I'm going to use my hand to mix it. And while I'm mixing it, I'm going to put in pandan leaf as well, so you will get a very nice fragrance of the pandan leaf. So just do like that. By using the hand to melt the sugar with coconut milk, right? Our hand is warm. That is why it make it very quickly to melt. I'm going to remove the pandan leaf, and I'm going to put this mixture aside. Next, I'm going to crack the egg. You see this duck egg? They look very dirty, but this has already been washed and placed it in the fridge. So I'm going to crack about 6 duck eggs. Okay, we have 6 duck eggs, and we're going to beat it. Okay, you just beat like that. You don't want it to be too much bubble. So I'm going to mix it together with the mixture here. Just going to put like a pinch of salt and just mix it. Alright, it is done. Now I'm going to use this tray to steam the pumpkin. So I'm going to put in the pumpkin into the tray. Alright, and then we're going to strain the mixture and pour it over into the pumpkin. Look at that. Wow, it looks so beautiful. So we're just going to push in the pumpkin. Make sure that it's covered with the custard, and now we can go and steam it. Now we're going to put in the custard tray in here, and I'm going to steam it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. We just have to come and check whether the custard is cooked. Altogether is 45 minutes, and the pumpkin is definitely very soft. Oops. And place it on the cooling rack. So I'm going to let it completely cool down, and then we're going to put it in the fridge to chill it. Alright, this is a pumpkin custard that is cooled down, and I have placed it in the fridge overnight, and it's chilled. It's very nice and cold, so we can cut it. Look at that! Wow! And we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut slightly bigger, so maybe giant piece. This is really huge pieces. Wow, look at that. I'm so excited. It's nice and cold, and I'm sure it's very nice and sweet, and oh. I can only say it's perfect. Very delicious. Very nice fragrance, sweet, and the pumpkin is very soft and tender. The coconut is so creamy with the egg custard. Wow, so good. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you, and bye bye.